When you think of Greek mythology, one name probably pops into your mind instantly: Zeus, the thunderbolt-wielding king of the gods. But what if I told you that the world of ancient myths is far richer, stranger, and more fascinating than the stories we usually hear? Today, let's take a journey beyond Zeus and uncover some of the hidden gems of Greek mythology that most people have never heard of. Imagine standing on a cliff in Crete, overlooking the endless blue of the Aegean Sea. Beneath those waves lies the tale of Glaucus, a humble fisherman who ate a magical herb and transformed into a sea god. His skin turned green, his hair flowed like seaweed, and he spent eternity guiding sailors across dangerous waters. Few know his story, but in ancient times, fishermen prayed to him for safe voyages. Then there's the chilling myth of Melinoe, the daughter of Persephone and Hades. She wandered the earth as a goddess of nightmares, with half her body pale like a ghost and the other half dark like the underworld. People believed she could enter dreams, bringing visions that were both terrifying and divine. Imagine walking through the ruins of an ancient temple at dusk, knowing the ancients feared her presence. And who remembers Arion, the immortal horse? Born from the union of Poseidon and Demeter, this supernatural stallion was said to run faster than the wind and even speak with a human voice. Ancient travelers swore that heroes rode him into battle, and his legend galloped through Greek culture as a symbol of divine speed and freedom. But here's the exciting part: these myths are not just old stories locked away in books. You can still experience them in the landscapes of Greece today. On Naxos, locals tell tales of gods and spirits hidden among the mountains. In Epirus, echoes of Orpheus and the underworld linger near the river Acheron. Each destination becomes more than a place to visit, it's a doorway into myth and imagination. Greek mythology isn't just about Zeus's thunderbolts or Hercules' strength. It's a universe filled with forgotten gods, eerie spirits, and magical creatures that shaped how ancient people understood the world around them. And when you walk through those ancient ruins or wander along the Mediterranean coast, you're not just sightseeing, you're stepping into the very stage where these timeless stories were born. So here's my question for you: if you could meet one of these lesser-known mythical beings on your travels through Greece, who would it be and why?